High demand for hybrid vehicles is bringing jobs to Kansas City. One local company is adding 20 jobs to produce hybrid F-150s. 41 Action News reporter Jordan Betts is live with this story. It's good news for Kansas City, right, Jordan?
This is exactly right. Those jobs could really help people out, and it's helping this company. So how do these trucks work? Okay, let's do this. This is the plug-in right here. This is where the charger will go. So you undo it, that's where it goes. Now, what does the charger look like? We head over here. This is something similar that XL Hybrids gives to many companies. And they're also doing regular hybrids here. And as you can see, this is that outlet. And the difference is that these are the only Ford F-150s that are the XL plug-in, as you see now on that right-hand side. And this company has been really working with trucks to go all the way across the country, and all these plug-ins are in for commercial use. Now, the cost of them is an extra $25,000, and experts say it's worth the investment.
Fleets really drive these guys into the ground. So these things will last for quite a long time. Over the course of the life cycle of the truck, you are gaining incrementally on fuel costs. You're gaining on the reduction in operational costs because you do have fewer maintenance costs.
Okay, so you see this right here, this big black box. This is where the battery is. So all of that energy that gets stored, maybe when you're stopped at a stoplight, all of that goes here. And like I said, the cost is an extra $25,000. But people here say that it's really worth the cost when you think about you're saving money on gas as well as helping the environment. In Kansas City, Jordan Betts, 41 Action News.